Hi guys, what's up?
How's it going?
How are we today? Got a cool couple of hours ahead.
I'm going to the shops.
I'm gonna buy a camera. I'm gonna buy a proper camera that is gonna make the quality better, the audio better. It's just gonna make it an all-around better time for everyone, you know? So we're gonna go do that now. We're gonna head into town. Man, how good is this regrowth looking?
This regrowth is insane.
This is my natural hair color. This is fake. I think it's looking pretty sick if you ask me, but...
What do I know? I ain't no hairdresser.
My hairdresser actually told me the other day that I'm due to come back in to get it fixed. Because otherwise it's going to turn into one big mess. But yeah, this is what we're rocking with at the moment. But yeah, so we're going to go into the shops. I have my eye on one camera that I think I'm going to get. My brother works at the store, which means I get a discount. Because we're all about that cheap life, you know. Yeah, so we're going to head in there. We're going to see what discount we can get. And see what happens. We'll take you along for the ride.
See you there.
We got the stuff. And now we're going to go home, because... We're eating. So what? So while we're eating, let me explain a few things. So since I started this YouTube channel, so I think this is the 6th video, I've just been filming on the
Front-facing camera on my phone.
because it's been accessible, it's been easy, but like, not the greatest quality. It gets a bit blurry at times. The audio isn't amazing. And the thing was, I wasn't going to get anything else until like, I knew I was going to keep on doing it, keep on making videos and keep on uploading. And I was like, what's the point of buying all like this gear and stuff to make this first video and only make like 3 videos and then I don't like it?
So I was just trying it out.
Now I started it, I've seen it as a thing that I can work into my schedule and that I enjoy doing, that I want to do. So we bought some stuff to make the quality of the videos better, which is exciting. So we won't get bad audio or like bad viewing or whatever. Let's do this fat unboxing. So, camera bag, microphone, tripod, SD card, and the holy grail, the camera. So how about we get into the unboxing? Let's start with the SD card, because that's the one everyone wants to see. So we got a SanDisk Extreme 64 gigabyte. Here it is. How gorgeous is that? Let's open our tripod. Okay, crew. Whoa. Wow. We have some instructions. Don't need them. And then we have it. Wow. So this is the Joby 1K Kit Gorilla Pod.
It's supposed to wrap around things.
Like you can wrap it around a tree if you want, so that's pretty funky. Oh my god, it actually works. Okay. A triangle is a stable structure. Let's go with the microphone. So I got the Rode Go mic because I heard things about it and it says that it's fine. And it
Wasn't that expensive either.
Wow. Look at it. It's so tiny. Can you hear anything? Nope, because it's not on. The camera case! Wow. Oh man, you would never believe it.
There's room for the camera.
So I got the Canon M50. So I did some research about this. I just like watched a lot of YouTube videos, went online to see what the best vlogging camera is. And it wasn't too expensive and it's very small. user manual. We will keep that because chances are I'm not.
I don't know how to use this thing.
Where's the camera? We have a strap. Oh, solid strap. A battery. The charging cable. The battery charger. Wow. The camera. Okay, so it's in bubble wrap. Look, I'm just gonna say, like, the best part about unboxing anything is where there's bubble wrap and you can just, like... Oh no. None of them are popping. Hey. So here's the camera. How is it? Very small, compact. We have the lens, don't worry guys. And here's the lens. How do we look? How will I look vlogging with this, guys? Ready? Okay, so we're gonna finish setting this up. Wow. There's so much, like... This is gonna be so good for when I go to America. Okay, now let's put the tripod on there so we don't use books anymore. Do I look like an actual vlogger? Okay guys, so we're gonna change over
To this camera.
and we're gonna see how it works. So in 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
This is insane.
This is a solid camera. Like, it's so clear. What the heck? But no, that's insane. That's so good. If you're wondering why I'm in like completely different outfit from about 2 seconds before, it's so after I did the changeover yesterday, like I went from phone to my camera. The microphone wasn't working for some reason. So I had problems with that. So here's a clip of that of the microphone not working. So basically when my brother got home, we
Fix that issue.
and now
The
the
microphone's working.
so hopefully it sounds sick, it looks sick, and it like holds sick. Oh, that's my rice. My rice is ready. See, that means it's ready. Let's go test this outside though. Can we have a look at Pumpkin with the new camera? Hey puppy. Pumpkin. Wow. So good.
Anyway.
So that's gonna be it for today's video. But get excited for future videos because they are gonna be looking mint. Anyway, catch you guys on the flip side. Bye. Have a wild time.